This is Miss E from Hawthorne Middle School. I hope you guys are doing good at home and being safe and cleaning your hands all the time. Well, I have a game for you from theater, and it is called 1, 2, 3. So I have some of my relatives here to help me out. So we're gonna start with 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna say 1. So come over here closer to me. So I'm gonna say 1, you're gonna say 2, and it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the first step. Now we're gonna start with the second step. So I'm gonna try it with Charlene, and we're gonna, instead of saying 1, I'm gonna clap. But she's gonna continue with 2 and 3. So I'm gonna start. It's you say 2. I clap instead of saying the number. So 3. So she has to clap instead of saying 1. So this is the third stage. Instead of saying the numbers, I'm gonna clap for 1. He's gonna say 2, and I'm gonna bend my knees for 3. So 2. Okay, so it continues on. Now we're gonna go on the 4th stage. So instead of saying numbers, we're gonna do actions. So I'm gonna clap for 1. She's gonna jump for 2, and I'm gonna bend my knees for 3. Okay, so I made a mistake. I forgot. It's a little bit of a concentration game, and I hope you guys enjoy it and you understood what the game was all about. And have fun with your family. Bye. Thank you.